In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to create SRU 3 points construction plane. The SRU 3 points will be created when placing 3 points in the design area. So in this video lesson, we are going to create the body like this. So please do it step by step. Delete the body. I will work on the top work plane to draw the sketch. Click Sketch. Click Rectangle. Draw the rectangle by defining the dimensions of the rectangle 60 mm by 30 mm. Click Arc. Draw the arc to the sketch. Apply the tangent constraint to the sketch. Trim this segment. Extrude the sketch to 9 mm. And then I will create a plane to draw the sketch. Click Add. Click Construction Plane. Click Construction Type. Click SRU 3 points. Place 3 points in the design area. Click and drag the points to place the plane to the exact place. Click Done. Now the plane is created. Place the mouse on the plane. Double press on the spacebar key. Draw a circle by defining the radius of the circle to 7.5 mm. Apply a concentric constraint to the circle. Create the vertical line. And define the distance from the line to the center point of the circle to 18 mm. Click to select the edges of the body. Click Copy. Trim the segments of the sketch. Extrude the sketch to 20 mm. Delete the sketch and the plane. I will create one more plane by using SRU 3 points construction plane. To create another sketch on the face of the body, click Add. Click Construction Plane. Click Construction Type. Click through 3 points. Click to place 3 points in the design area to create the plane. Click the points and drag to place the plane to the specific place. Create a sketch on the plane. Extrude the sketch to 7 mm. Delete the sketch and the plane. Click the body O2. Click the pivot point, drag to change the point to this point of the body O2, release the mouse. Click the arrow, drag to move body O2 to the half of the body O1 by defining the distance 18.5 mm. Click to select both bodies. Click Union to combine them into a single body. Apply the chamfer to these edges of the body 9 mm.